In this video, we're going to quickly solve a quadratic, and notice this one is already given to us in vertex form, so we're not going to be using factoring, we're not going to be using the quadratic formula. Those are more for ones that are given to us in standard form, so x squared plus bx plus c equals y. But when they're given to us in this form where we have our quadratic already separated out, and so it is something squared. So this is either vertex form or it's been given to us via completing the square. We're just going to follow our normal rules for solving, which is SADMAP. SADMAP is our opposite order of operations. So solving goes this way. So the first I'm going to ask, can I add or subtract anything? Well, I notice my 3. Oops, this is not the problem we're going to do. We're going to make that a 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract my 3 to the other side. That gives me 10 times x minus 4 squared equals, well, 43 minus 3 is 40. I'm then going to ask myself, is there anything I could divide or multiply to the other side? And I immediately see I have this 10 out here. So I'm going to divide both sides by 10. That gives me x minus 4 squared equals 4. Now we're ready to deal with the exponent. Well, my exponent here, I know what it is. It's a 2. So I can just take the square root of both sides. And that's going to give me x minus 4 equals the square root of 4. This is really important. When we are using a square root to solve, so I introduced it into my problem, when we're using a square root to solve, we have to take the positive or the negative option. So that means I'm going to have x minus 4 equals, well, the square root of 4 is 2, so it equals positive 2, but x minus 4 also equals negative 2. So once again, this, the plus or minus square root of 4, that is positive 2 and negative 2. So that's why I set these here. Well, I don't have any parentheses, and so when we solve, when we get to the p, we just go back to the beginning and try again. So now I'm just going to add 4 to both sides, and that is going to give me x equals, well, 2 plus 4 is 6. X equals negative 2 plus 4, which is 2. And those are going to be my two final answers. So that is how we can solve a quadratic when it's been given to us in this form, which is kind of a version of vertex form or something after completing the square.